Hello everyone. In this class, we will be continue learning on the cross join. So let's understand how this cross join will be working. So cross join, we needed two table. So let me call a table one. Okay. So table two as well. Two table contains some information about ID and the name and course details like that. Many information it will be containing. So this is the table one and the table two. This is the column. So column one will be some ID and the name. Again, this one will be ID and the course name. It will be a course name. Okay. So what cross join will do? Cross join will do get multiply with all this row will get multiply with all the row in the second column. So like this, it will get cross multiplied with all other column like this. So basically, once it done, again the second column will get multiplied with the first column, second column, third column, and the last column. All the column it will going to get multiplied like this. Okay, like this it will repeat all the rows from the first table. This is how the cross join will be working. Suppose ID, right, ID 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so here it will be 10, 11, 12, and 13 it was there. So how once you done the cross join, how the output will be visible looks like this. So here name X, Y, Z and A will be there, right? And ML, ADL, NLP and SQL, like this information will be there. If I do the cross join, so when you do the cross join, 1 and X, 1X with 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, third will be 10, 11, 12, 13. Again 2Y, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like this, it will going to create a full data set. Full data set it will going to create it out. Okay. This is how it will generate a new table. Okay. So let's do some practical on this one, how it will be working. So then you will get a clear idea about that, how exactly what's going on in this table. So for that, I'm using this one, MySQL Workbench. So select, let me select star from, okay, first table will be a course. I will make it as a C alias name, and cross join. You have to mention cross join. The second table name will be student. Students as yes on based on ID I am making ID equal to, and again yes dot ID. So if you done, so before that we can check it out the individual tables, what kind of information it contain. So fetching, here you can see a course table contain info about ID and the course name. In ID 1, 3, 4. In case of student table, it will be ID and the name of the person. ID will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you do the cross join, first table will get multiplied, or it will going to retrieve all the column for the first row, and again second from the first table, second row will get retrieve all the column, sorry, a row information from the second table. So let me run the cross join. Okay, wait, I will remove this one. If you mention based on ID, it will going to take it that ID as well. So I'll just remove it. Then I can make remove this as well. So select star from course, cross join, and the student I will be mentioning. Here you can see. So this is the first table and this is the second table. This is from the course and this is from the student data. So course ID will be 1, as MySQL course name, and the ID will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Again, after the 5, again second ID will be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is how the cross join will be working. I hope you will learn something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.